Hello everyone! Welcome to Little Learner's World. Today, we are going to learn vowels and consonants in a fun and easy way. Let's start! In English, we have 26 letters. These letters help us read and write. They are divided into two groups. The first group is called vowels. There are 5 vowels in English. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. Great job! A for apple, E for elephant, I for ice cream, O for orange, U for umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. Great job! The second group is called consonants. All letters except vowels are consonants. B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, M for monkey, S for sun. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are all the other letters. Together, they make words. Let's play a quiz. Is A a vowel or consonant? Yes, A is a vowel. Is B a vowel or consonant? Correct. B is a consonant. Is D a vowel or consonant? Yes, D is a consonant. Is E a vowel or consonant? Correct. E is a vowel. Is I a vowel or consonant? Yes, I is a vowel. Is L a vowel or consonant? Correct. L is a consonant. Is Q a vowel or consonant? Correct. Q is a consonant. Is O a vowel or consonant? Yes, O is a vowel. Is U a vowel or consonant? Yes, U is a vowel. Is Y a vowel or consonant? Correct, Y is a consonant. Ready for a fun challenge? Welcome to the Vowel Spotter activity. Let's go! What do you think? Which words start with a vowel? Take a moment. Can you think of any? Great thinking! Yes, ask, ant, air, animal, apple, and arrow starts with the vowel A. What do you think? Which words start with a vowel? Let's see how many you can think of. You are right. Eagle, engine, ear, eye, elephant, and egg start with the vowel E. Now, let's have a look at this. What do you think? Which words start with a vowel? Let's see how many you can think of. Amazing! Igloo, in, ink, iguana, and ice start with the vowel I. Let's move to the next one. Now, let's think together. Which words start with a vowel? Can you tell me which ones? Superb! Owl, ocean, orange, oven, and old start with the vowel O. Time to jump to the next one. This is our last activity. What do you think? Which words start with a vowel? Great! Yes! Up, under, umbrella, uncle, and unicorn start with a vowel U. You did an amazing job today. Keep learning and having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Learner's World. See you next time. Bye-bye.